How to remove one word prediction on your Microsoft Swiftkey keyboard. This is with the late 2025 update. Let's go ahead and get started. So you're about to start typing, your keyboard pops up and you're typing in words, and there is a word that you no longer wish to show up as a suggestion as you're typing. So maybe you have a friend and you don't want their names to show up anymore on your keyboard. So maybe your friend name is Tommy. Let's just say Tommy. You'll notice the suggestion is going to be right there. And if you don't want Microsoft to keep suggesting to you that specific word or name, and you don't want to have to completely erase all the data, just that one word you want to remove, you're going to long press the suggestion. So when you see it here, you'll long press it like this and hold it down long enough until you see this right here. It's going to say do not predict, and it's going to tell you the word again, and you'll just simply press OK. That's going to now remove it. And it's going to tell you it has been successfully removed. And then so next time I'm typing in the word Tommy, you'll notice it's not showing up as a suggestion. Maybe it's going to be part of a sentence, but it's not going to be the main word that's going to appear. And this is going to apply across for other words. And of course, once you continue typing in that same word again, it's going to learn it and appear as a suggestion later on, like and so.